Picture this, a stretch of white sand on the Caribbean coast, turquoise water rolling in gently, and a tall, sun-washed resort tower keeping watch over it all. That is the setting for the Westin Lagunamar Ocean Resort Villas and Spa in Cancun, a four-star property that has become a favorite for travelers who want the comforts of a vacation home with the perks of a full-service resort. Sitting along Boulevard Kukulkan in the heart of the hotel zone, this place enjoys one of the most convenient addresses in the entire city. It is operated under the Vistana and Marriott umbrella, which gives it that polished, dependable feel longtime brand fans tend to expect. Reviewers on Booking score it around 8.5 out of 10, while Expedia guests bump it up to 8.6 across more than 1,000 reviews. Those numbers are not flashy headline grabbers, but they reflect the kind of steady, satisfying stay that keeps people coming back year after year. The first thing most guests notice when they step inside their unit is space, and a lot of it. The Westin Lagunamar leans into the villa concept rather than the traditional hotel room layout, offering studio villas, one-bedroom villas, and two-bedroom lock-off villas that can be split up or combined depending on how big the travel party is. Studio villas work well for couples or solo travelers who still want a kitchenette and a comfortable seating area, while the one-bedroom villas give families or friends a separate bedroom and a larger living space with a full kitchen. The two-bedroom lock-off setup is the showstopper, essentially two private spaces joined together for bigger groups or multi-generational trips. Having a full kitchen is a real game changer for working-class travelers who do not want to drop a small fortune on every single meal. Throw in laundry inside the villa and you have a setup that feels more like a beachfront apartment than a hotel. Views are part of the magic here, and the resort makes the most of its position by aiming most of the villas toward either the ocean or the Nishupt Lagoon. Ocean-facing units catch those legendary Cancun sunrises when the Caribbean glows pink and gold before the day gets going. Lagoon-side villas are quieter, often more affordable, and they reward guests with stunning sunsets in the evening. Inside, the decor stays clean and modern with neutral colors, light wood accents, and the signature Westin heavenly bed that has built a reputation for itself. Smart television sets, climate control, and reliable Wi-Fi keep the tech side of things easy, though this is not the type of property bristling with futuristic gadgets. Accessible villas can be requested at the time of booking, and the layout of the property makes it generally welcoming to families with strollers and travelers with mobility needs. When it comes to food and drink, the resort offers enough variety to keep guests happy without overwhelming them. There are casual on-site dining spots that lean into Mexican classics, fresh seafood, and approachable international fare, the kind of menus that suit both adventurous eaters and pickier kids. Breakfast tends to be a highlight, with options ranging from hearty plates of eggs and chilaquiles to lighter pastries, fruit, and yogurt for the health-minded crowd. Lunch slides into easygoing favorites like tacos, ceviche, burgers, and salads that you can enjoy without changing out of your swimsuit. Dinner gets a touch more elevated, with grilled meats, fresh-caught fish, and pasta dishes that pair nicely with a cold drink and the sound of waves in the background. Because every villa has a kitchen, plenty of guests also stock up at nearby markets and cook a few meals in, which is a nice cost saver for longer stays. The bar scene at the Westin Lagunamar tends to be more relaxed than rowdy, which suits the family-friendly atmosphere. Poolside bars handle the daytime crowd with frozen drinks, cold beers, and the kind of fruity cocktails that practically demand a paper umbrella. In the evenings, lobby and lounge areas become natural gathering spots where guests can unwind with a glass of wine or a smooth tequila after a long day in the sun. Mexico is famous for its agave spirits, and the bar staff are generally happy to walk curious guests through a few tequila or mezcal options if asked. The vibe leans toward easygoing conversation and sunset views rather than loud party energy, though if you want that, the rest of the hotel zone is right outside the gates. For travelers who like a slower nightlife pace with their feet still feeling the sand, it hits a sweet spot. The pool and beach combination is honestly one of the biggest reasons travelers pick this resort in the first place. The main pool area is generously sized, with a sprawling layout that gives families plenty of room to spread out without elbowing strangers for a lounger. Kids have their own dedicated pool zone with shallow water, perfect for the little ones who are still learning to swim or just want to splash around safely. Adults gravitate toward the quieter pool sections where they can read a book, doze off, or sip something cold without being interrupted by a flying pool noodle. Loungers, umbrellas, and shaded cabanas dot the deck, and attentive pool staff make their rounds with cold towels and drink refills. The whole layout is built so that guests can drift between sun and shade as the day moves on without ever feeling crowded. Then there is the beach, which is arguably the crown jewel. The Westin Lagunamar sits on a stretch of soft, powdery sand with that famous Caribbean water that looks almost too blue to be real. Playa Caracol, Delphine's Beach, and Playa Tortugas are all within easy reach, giving guests options if they want to wander a bit. The on-property beach is well maintained, with loungers, palapas for shade, and beach attendants who help set up towels and umbrellas. Water activities such as paddleboarding, kayaking, snorkeling, and the occasional banana boat ride can be arranged through on-site vendors, while the calmer days are perfect for floating in the shallows. Sunrise walks along the beach are a quiet, almost spiritual way to start the morning, especially before the sun gets serious about beating down. Beyond the water, the resort offers a solid lineup of activities for guests who like to stay busy. A modern fitness center keeps the gym crowd happy with cardio machines, weights, and enough space to get through a real workout without bumping into anyone. Group fitness classes, beachside yoga, and stretching sessions show up on the daily schedule, giving guests gentle, sun-soaked ways to stay active. Tennis courts and pickleball setups are usually available, and there is something genuinely satisfying about playing a few sets with a view of the lagoon. Beach volleyball, water aerobics, and poolside games keep the energy up for guests who like a little friendly competition during the day. The activity team does a good job of keeping things optional rather than pushy, which is exactly the right tone for a vacation. Cultural and educational touches are sprinkled throughout the schedule too, often in low-key ways that do not feel forced. Guests might find tequila tastings, Spanish language basics, salsa lessons, or hands-on demonstrations of traditional Mexican crafts and cuisine. These small experiences help travelers feel more connected to the region, even if they never leave the resort grounds. Cooking dimas showing how to make guacamole or salsa from scratch are perennial hits, especially with guests who want to bring a souvenir home in recipe form. For those who want to venture beyond, the concierge can help arrange day trips to nearby archaeological sites, cenotes, or eco-parks. It is a nice balance between sit-back-and-relax energy and the chance to learn something new without booking a whole extra tour. The spa and wellness offerings carry that same balanced philosophy, focused on relaxation and recovery rather than gimmicks. Treatment menus typically include classic massages, deep tissue work, hot stone therapy, facials, and body scrubs that draw on local ingredients like sea salt and aloe vera. Couples massages are popular here, especially with honeymooners and anniversary trips, and the calm, dimly lit treatment rooms make it easy to drift into total Zen mode. Many spa packages encourage guests to arrive early to use the relaxation areas, sauna, and steam facilities before the actual treatment begins. That extra time is part of the magic, letting the stress of travel melt away before a therapist even touches you. The aromas of essential oils and the soft background music feel like a deliberate counterweight to the bright sunshine outside. Wellness here is not just confined to the spa. Beachside or garden yoga sessions, meditation classes, and stretching workshops give guests gentle ways to reset their minds. The Westin brand has long leaned into its wellness identity, with running maps for guests who want to jog along the boulevard, healthier menu options at restaurants, and a strong commitment to good sleep through those famous heavenly beds. Travelers looking for a more structured detox week can mix spa visits with daily yoga and lighter meals to craft their own informal wellness retreat. The general atmosphere of the resort, with its breezy ocean air, palm trees, and gentle pace, does most of the heavy lifting. By day 3, even the most wound-up guest tends to look noticeably calmer. Since the resort welcomes families, the kids' club and youth activities are a key piece of the puzzle. Younger guests have access to supervised programs that mix games, crafts, swimming time, and beach play, giving them a chance to make new friends while parents enjoy a few quiet hours. Themed activities, scavenger hunts, and movie nights show up regularly, keeping the schedule fresh for kids who return year after year. Teens are not left out either, with options that lean toward sports, water activities, and social events suitable for their age group. Family-friendly entertainment in the evenings, like live music or casual shows, creates moments that often become the trip highlights kids actually remember. Babysitting services can usually be arranged for parents who want a quiet dinner alone, which is a small luxury that goes a long way. All in all, families get great value here without sacrificing the grown-up side of vacation. Location is one of the resort's real superpowers, and it is hard to overstate how convenient this address is. La Isla Shopping Mall is right next door, offering open-air shopping, restaurants, a small aquarium, and plenty of evening strolling. Within a short drive, guests can reach the lively party strip, the more relaxed downtown area, and a handful of beaches that range from quiet to lively. Cancun International Airport sits about 20 kilometers away, making arrivals and departures pretty painless. For travelers who want a deeper cultural experience, day trips to Chichen Itza, Cholum, Coba, and Isla Mujeres are all within reach. Eco-parks like Xcaret and Zelha provide a full day of adventure for families, and dive shops can set up snorkeling trips to the famous reefs offshore. Putting it all together, the Westin Lagunamar Ocean Resort Villas and Spa lands as a strong choice for travelers who want comfort, space, and a great location without committing to an all-inclusive setup. Its biggest strengths are the villa layouts with full kitchens, the consistently praised beach, the welcoming staff, and the steady reliability of the Westin brand. Reviewers like Aaron on Booking call it a really nice resort to stay in Cancun, while Christina on Expedia raves about the beautiful, clean property and the kindness of the staff. On the weaker side, this is not an all-inclusive, so guests who prefer everything bundled into one price may find the bills add up, and dining variety on site is more limited than at larger neighboring resorts. A few guests have also noted the standard timeshare-style sales pitches that come with the Vistana brand, though they are typically easy to decline politely. What truly sets this resort apart is the villa lifestyle in a city where most properties focus on traditional hotel rooms. Having a kitchen, a washing machine, and a separate living area changes the entire rhythm of a vacation, especially for families and longer stays. The location next to La Isla Mall and steps from one of Cancun's best beaches gives guests the rare combination of convenience and natural beauty. The Westin's signature touches like the heavenly bed, the wellness focus, and the consistent service standards give travelers a familiar comfort zone in a foreign country. Add a calmer, more refined vibe compared to some of the rowdier all-inclusive party hotels nearby, and the appeal becomes clear. It is the kind of place that quietly wins repeat customers rather than chasing flashy first-time impressions. For travelers thinking about a meeting, small conference, or group celebration, the resort can also accommodate events with flexible function space. Wedding parties, family reunions, corporate retreats, and milestone birthdays all find a welcoming home here, with options for ocean view ceremonies and group dinners. The event planning team works with guests to coordinate menus, decor, and activities so the celebration feels personal rather than cookie-cutter. It is not the largest convention venue in Cancun by any stretch, but for intimate gatherings the setting is hard to beat. Where the Westin Lagunamar really earns its loyal following is in the small, human moments that guests remember long after the tan fades. It might be the front desk agent who remembers your name on day 3, the bartender who learns your favorite drink, or the pool attendant who hands your kid a towel without being asked. Several reviewers consistently highlight the warmth and helpfulness of the staff, often calling them the best part of their stay. With a check-in at 4 in the afternoon and check-out at 10 in the morning, the schedule is straightforward, and the staff handle requests for early arrivals or late departures with a smile when possible. For working-class families saving up for a meaningful getaway, those personal touches turn a nice vacation into a great one. And in the end, that is exactly what keeps guests coming back to this slice of the Caribbean year after year. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.